Today I want to give you a short guide how you can create a Coinbase smart wallet, which has now launched around 1 to 2 weeks ago, and it's definitely a way easier and faster way to create a wallet without having to write down your 12-word seed phrase and storing this at a proper place. No, Coinbase smart wallets works with a passkey which you can store, for example, in your Google Cloud, in your iCloud, or in your Chrome profile, and you can basically generate it with your phone. And if you have your phone, you can confirm all the transactions on here, which makes it definitely way easier for new people to get on chain and interact with the world of DeFi. You can see basically everything around this Coinbase smart wallet on their website. They have a whole FAQ down here. And most important point is, of course, who is holding the keys for this wallet, and that's just yourself. If you store those keys, for example, in your iCloud account or just on your device, this is end-to-end encrypted and nobody else has access to those passkeys. So let's get into the process how to set up a Coinbase smart wallet. First, of course, we want to click on create a wallet, which leads us over to this page. There you just want to click the create a smart wallet button. Then again, you can say create a smart wallet here in this case, and then it asks you if you want to do this with Windows Hello, because I'm a Windows user, or if you want to do it by using a phone, tablet, or a security key. I think that's the best option because you can use this on different devices. If you're traveling or wherever you are, you can use just your phone to confirm transactions and do everything with it. So I would recommend to use this option, which then shows you a QR code. You then just want to scan this QR code with your phone. Then it says connecting to my device, and I should just follow the steps on here. Then it tells me I have to type in my PIN or basically give my Touch ID or Face ID. So I will just confirm this one, and then it will be saved in my iCloud here as I am an iPhone user. If you're using an Android phone, it will basically be saved in your Google Cloud. And then, as you can already see in the background, my wallet is ready and I could now directly fund it. It basically looks like your standard Coinbase account. You have your asset balance over here. You can see the dApps, which are already compatible with Coinbase Smart Wallet. And you have, of course, the settings function here where you can adjust everything like you want to have it. You can, of course, also add wallets to it, like you can do also, for example, with your MetaMask or Rabi account. So if you already have existing wallets, you can just add them by clicking Add Wallet. And here in our case, the Coinbase wallet and Wallet Connect is available. So you just want to connect your wallet to it, import your accounts, and those will be shown then here in the interface. Then you have, of course, the option to buy, send, and swap cryptos once you have assets on this wallet. On the top right, you can again see your wallet address, which is of course important if you send funds on chain. So if you, for example, have assets on your Coinbase account, which you want to send over to our smart wallet, so you just use this address by copying this button, and then you can just paste in this wallet as destination on your centralized exchange or also on your decentralized wallet and send funds on here that you can work with the Coinbase Smart Wallet. If you want to buy crypto, you just hit the buy button, then it opens the Coinbase on-ramp. If you want to send funds, you also just click on send. Therefore, of course, you need funds on this wallet. I can recommend to do it on Base. So the Base gas fees are paid with Ethereum. So the first action you are doing once you offboard funds from, for example, your Coinbase account to your smart wallet is sending Ethereum from Coinbase to the Base blockchain. So to your wallet address, which you just created over here. Same counts for swap. For example, from an Ethereum asset into a stablecoin, you can do that over here as well. And for every transaction, you of course need your phone to confirm this transaction. That's why we created this passkey before. So it always asks you before confirming a transaction if you want to really do it. Then you just give the Face ID or Touch ID or whatever you're using, and then the transaction can go through. And that's already it, the basic onboarding on the new Coinbase Smart Wallet. Let's see how this develops over the upcoming few weeks, months, and years, if this helps to onboard more users on chain to use DeFi activities. I definitely think so, because it's the much easier and also safer way compared to writing down your seed phrase and storing this in a safe place. Here with the passkey, which you can use across multiple devices, this is definitely more convenient. If you still have any questions, feel free to drop them below this video. And if you don't want to miss future content, which I release almost on a daily basis here on this channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one.